What's the meaning of backstory? Backstory. Backstory.
Backstory. Backstory. Backstory refers to the history or background information of a character or situation. It provides context for the actions and motivations of a character or the events that are taking place. In literature, film, and television, the backstory can be revealed through exposition or flashbacks, giving the audience a better understanding of the characters and their circumstances. It is an important element in creating a believable and well-rounded story. Understanding the backstory can also help the audience connect with the characters on a more emotional level. Overall, the backstory is a crucial component of storytelling as it adds depth and complexity to the narrative.